Hey guys, let's get wacky. Tonight we're gonna draw a dummkap from Yokai Watch 2. This buffoon inspirits boys and makes them act really stupid. Well, basically in the game, he makes anyone act stupid. Instead of erasing people's memories, he turns their personality into, well, dummies. Well, back then, when he was alive, he was once the greatest invention. It was a seat cushion and a hat, merged into one. Some kids mistreated him and threw him away. And since then, he vowed revenge and wanted to spread their stupidity throughout the whole cosmos. And finished. That's how you draw a dummkap.